Gotta go check out those cows. They're hurting them. I need to help. I need to help them move cows. I will help. I will help. I will help them move cows. I will help. They're so pretty. If my parents ever used just a piece of string to herd their cows, they would just bust it. They would just run off into wherever the hell they wanted to go. Oh my gosh, look at these guys. How cute. On the hunt for an elf house and or puffins. Turns out the puffins are actually seagulls. Elf house is a cave, which would be perfect for an elf to live in.
I don't think it's a place for elves. I think it's just for elves. Elves are tiny.
No, that's an elf house. Oh.
Good spot to store your sheep overnight.
Or your elves.
No.
It's an elf house.
No, it's not.
Elf house. Perfect spot for an elf to sleep.
See? Bed.
Yeah, for an elf.
No. I think everybody just hikes up to the top.
Our rain jackets are back on. We are prepared to get swamped. Yes. We're van people now.
Van people.
Van people.
Not quite van.
Not quite people. Alright, we're gonna do the 527 steps up. Ugh. Reminiscent of the escalator in Munich. You doing okay? I think we finally found Roy's chink in his armor. Woo! That was really hard. Wow. Look at that. It's crazy how quiet it gets when that waterfall gets behind the hill. On the hunt for elusive waterfalls.
You know, TLC warned us about this.
Yeah. Did you get your fill?
No, he's still eating.
We both saw the mist from the big waterfall and immediately thought there was a campfire. But in our defense, it does look like a campfire.
And we come from a state that likes fire.
Going down is much better.
There's little huts.
Elf huts.
No.
Alright, he's finally gonna try it.
Trying fish jerky.
Hold on, hard fisker.
I'm not a fish person. He was enjoying this already. Barb's
That is such a trip. I know! I saw it, I was like, nope. I warned him when we first pulled up, like, Roy, the waves are gonna be super strong here, you know? Be careful. He's over here like, let's climb all the rocks.
Yeah.
We're gonna get stuck on a beach in Iceland. No service. Ready? Oh, so lucky. So lucky.
Eve is going to take pictures of the wild puffins. There she goes, higher and higher.
I got one good. Made it worth it.
Eva. Oh, I'd say that side and then down, but huzzah!
3 minutes away from the brewery in Vic, so I'm gonna assume that's Vic.
So I was right, you could walk straight to Vic from over there.
900 meters, we're gonna hang around. Dinner for the night. Yum, 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 yum. We finally get our brewery. Yes.
There's licorice. Here I am thinking I got chocolate covered caramel something.
We picked these up and it said milk chocolate with caramel, oh, and licorice. Oh, 14% of it. Oh.
He was bad at reading.
Oh.
Well, those are going to be Eva's candies. Making me eat all sorts of shit all night.
You can't wait for this one. We got caviar. And the picture makes it look like you're eating cat turds.
There ain't no we about it.
These are good. Beer me.
Want me to open it for you?
I'm a strong, independent woman. I don't need no man. Hey, we're gonna try our first caviar.
Not my first caviar.
It's not?
No.
What have you had caviar?
Tried it a couple times.
Without me?
Yeah, for you.
Ugh.
It sucks every
There was
time.
never a before me.
There was.
There wasn't. There wasn't. Stop, I'm making you dinner.
Oh, you're not. Fucking trying to feed me stupid fish.
Okay, here's our $2.50 caviar.
I know. It's like super fishy. No?
It's like those smoked oysters. And cheese whiz. Nope.
Like ham but sweet and salty.
Yeah. You.
Oh, pretty damn.
Wow.
Nope.
Well, this is the end of our day.
Is that your
Careful,
beer?
there's sand on it. I think after we have a beer here, we're gonna head to our campsite and call it a night. So, we'll see you in the morning. We'll see what kind of shenanigans we can get up to. Bye.